Joining us tonight, the undersheriff of Orange County, California, Don Barnes, and it's great to have you with us. We appreciate it. And I want to congratulate you, your department, the sheriff herself. This is an innovative idea to just simply publish inmate release dates, and those who are interested and feel responsible are fully informed. I really commend you.
Well, thank you, sir. I appreciate your comment.
And I know that the Attorney General does not necessarily do so. But it seems to me that you're not outside SB 54 or the state law that wants to create a sanctuary of the entire state. You're skirting some fine lines, but serving your community and assuring public safety.
Well, that's exactly true. In fact, the Attorney General, the State Attorney General's comments are quite troublesome, really. I'm not sure he read the language of the law, because what we did was exactly what is inside the law. And it's really disturbing that the Attorney General would threaten to arrest a sitting sheriff while at the same time advocating for the release of convicted criminals back into the community. That's the most disturbing part of that. But to be clear, this is a focus on criminals within our custody, within our jails. We're not going out and looking for individuals within the community. That's not our job. That's the job of ICE to do that function. We merely want to give them the information, make the information available within the law that they might be able to use to their benefit.
Yeah, and to me, it's outrageous that you cannot do a straightforward, simple handoff of a criminal illegal immigrant to Immigration and Customs Enforcement as two law enforcement agencies cooperating on behalf of public safety for your community.
That's absolutely true. In fact, what we've done, what led to 9/11 were agencies not communicating well, and now they've statutorily required and restricted us from communicating with another public safety agency, which is very problematic. But what we've done, we're still allowed under previous legislation to pass over very high-level offenders to ICE. So we turned over 181 of those to date as of this year, 580 last year. But there's about 244 that haven't been turned over and were released back in the community. And those are the ones we're concerned about. They're returned back to the communities in which they prey upon in the first place. We have an obligation to protect all the public safety, including those within those communities.
Yeah, the idea that the state of California could sanction, let alone demand by law, such irresponsibility on the part of law enforcement and law enforcement agencies, whether local, county, or state, is irrational. You would think the state, the population of California, 40 million folks, would be outraged at the Brown government and the Becerra Attorney Generalship.
Well, you would think that they were. This is obviously was a Senate bill that was passed and made it through Sacramento. But there's other legislation that is equally as troublesome that we're dealing with as well. It's making policing in California right now very, very difficult. And we have an obligation to keep our communities safe. And that's everybody within our communities. And that's what we'll strive to do. And we will use every tool available within our authority to make sure that happens.